Hi there, I'm Cambria Minton, your trusted title insurance business partner, and today I want to clear up a term that can really trip up clients during a transaction. It's Mello-Roos. As an agent, you know how important it is to keep surprises out of escrow, so we're going to help you today just do that. Mello-Roos is a special property tax that funds public services and infrastructure. Things like schools, fire stations, parks, and road improvements and newer developments. So here's how it works. A builder develops a brand new neighborhood, and the city needs to add services like schools, wider roads, a new fire station. So instead of using existing tax dollars, they can create a community facilities district, also known as CFD, under the Mello-Roos Act of 1982. Homeowners in that district pay an additional property tax on top of what their regular property taxes are to cover those improvements. Here's a fun fact. The name Mello-Roos isn't just a fancy legal term. It's actually named after two California legislators, Senator Henry Mello and Assemblyman Mike Roos. Mello-Roos. Anyhow, let's say your client is buying a $600,000 home in a new development, and they're budgeted for standard property taxes. But then, surprise, there's a Mello-Roos tax of $3,000 a year for the next 20 to 30 years. It's a major detail they're going to want to know before making an offer. So this is where you can shine as a real estate agent. Mello-Roos taxes will appear on the preliminary title report. However, you're typically not seeing a preliminary title report until you're already in escrow. So to better serve your buyers, it's a great idea to get in the habit of reaching out to myself and ordering an estimated property tax printout specific to the property that you're viewing. This will identify what the property taxes will be for a particular subject property, and it will also show if there's a Mello-Roos on the property or not. And it will also show you exactly what their one-time estimated supplemental tax will be. It's a big deal. If you're going to view 5 properties, I have no problem pulling as many of these reports as you need. It's a great habit to flag it early and set clear expectations with your buyers. Here's another something interesting. When a new community facilities district is created, the people who live in or own the land within that district vote to approve the Mello-Roos tax. If there are fewer than 12 residences, the vote actually is limited to the landowners. That usually means a developer decides that in the early stages. Another fun fact, most Mello-Roos taxes have a defined lifespan, usually between 20 and 40 years, and once the improvements are paid off, that tax goes away. So, is Mello-Roos a deal breaker? Not at all. It often means that your clients are moving into a community with new, high-quality amenities. But as their agent, it is crucial to help them factor it into their long-term budget and explain how long that tax will last. The bottom line, being proactive about Mello-Roos sets you apart as a knowledgeable agent and builds trust with your clients. If you ever have any questions or want help reviewing a title report or even an estimated property tax report, I'm here to be your go-to resource. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned a nugget or two, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.